Hello, my name is Kim Do-han and my topic is about nanoplastic. Today, microplastics have a negative impact on the ecology. Plastic is the most abundant source of marine trash in our ocean and Great Lakes per the National Ocean Service. Plastic debris may be found in a variety of forms and sizes. Microplastics are plastic waste with a length of less than 5 millimeters. However, Zangmeister recently directed an experiment. In this experiment, the researchers revealed that single-use drinking cups contain nanoplastic that is 1 million times smaller than microplastics. This research describes its methodology, findings, and impact of plastic particles in water. A new research published in Environmental Science and Technology by the American Chemical Society shows that nylon cooking bags and plastic-lined cups are an estimated source of nanoplastic particles. This research demonstrates two distinct circumstances with two distinct outcomes. After 20 minutes of pouring 100 degrees Celsius water into a cup, roughly 5.1 trillion particles are examined. When 22 degrees Celsius water is poured into the cup, approximately 2.8 trillion particles are expelled. Before I'm on the stage, I drank juice, and that means maybe I ate 3 trillion nanoplastics in 1 minute. In the past decade, scientists have discovered that plastic cannot affect humans because it is too large to enter cells. Nanoplastic, however, was different. Nanoplastic can infiltrate human cells, according to the study's author, Professor Zangmeister. Nevertheless, there is no conclusive evidence that they are dangerous to the human body. Now, how do these polymers affect ecology directly? People's interest in this issue has risen recently since marine organisms that mistake plastic particles in the ocean for food ultimately affect humans through the food chain. Although seafood, which accounts for 1/5 of the world's protein supply, is an essential food source, people may not know how the small plastic particles in the ocean affect humans. For a representative example, planktons are the primary food source for many marine species and play a crucial part in the nutrient cycle in marine environments. However, according to a recent study, planktons that consume microplastic with their diet have a negative impact on the food that humans consume. People may wonder, despite numerous lectures and campaigns on the ecology and climate change problems, why is the situation improved? One of the reasons to the world's problems is definitely the ease of plastic. This ease has drastically altered our lifestyle. We can verify this by examining the quantity of plastic in our favorite things, such as paper cups, plastic bottles, and plastic. However, the plastic we use routinely will one day harm us without warning. Thank you for listening to my presentation.